Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Now I know you guys read that title already. This is another Sabauce review. Listen, I said in my last video, which I'll put in the iCard above, you know, I just did a chicken wing that was marinated in this handcrafted marinade. Listen, after doing that, you know, I told you I did my research and everybody says, hey, this marinade is not just good on chicken, it's good on everything. So check this out. Got me some shrimp. Can you see that? Got some shrimp. Got about another 8 ounces of this Sabauce marinade. And listen, we finna marinate. I'm finna get it all massaged and worked in. I'm getting ready to put it in my refrigerator. And I'm gonna go ahead and marinate it for about 2 hours. Then we're gonna come back. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the air fryer. That's the game changer right there, everybody. We're gonna do marinated shrimp in an air fryer. I can't say enough about that. Hey, listen, I can't even hardly say it. I'm choked up over it. Listen, I love shrimp. And listen, I do love this Sabauce marinade. And I gotta say this, y'all. I'm not sponsored by them or nothing like that. But listen, when I find something and I believe in it, you know what? This is the way to go. So let's get started. All right, these have been already, they already been peeled. They deveined. All I gotta do is put them, you know, take them to the sink, you know, rinse them down. I even took off the tail shell, everything, you know, getting them ready just to soak up all of this marinade. And then after this soaked, again, we're gonna put it in for 2 hours. And then after that, we're gonna put them right into the air fryer. Shrimp has been washed and dried, and now I'm getting ready to apply my Sabauce marinade. Now I had a little bit over half left over from a marinated chicken, which were party wings that I did, which was about 20 to 22 wings. You see, it doesn't take much. So I shake it up, I apply it right here, and then check it out. Look, I didn't use that much. So when I sit it down, take a look at how much was left. That's enough to do a whole nother video. Right now, I'm loving this sauce. Only thing left to do is let's get them covered and put them in the refrigerator for like about 2 hours. I'm thinking something this small and this texture, this will probably be done in probably an hour. You know, I just can't wait. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and set up and we go from there. All right, look, just took the shrimp, got them out of the refrigerator, got them uncovered. They look nice. You can see they nicely coated. You can see where it changed the color of the shrimp. Now let me go ahead and get my air fryer. Let me set that up and let me take y'all. Okay, now let me go ahead and get it loaded up. I got my shrimp here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it right here on the top. I'm gonna stack them around so that they can get air underneath the bottom. And then put them back in here. And then we'll go over the setting. Now that you have your shrimp, you know, arranged on your rack the way you're gonna cook them, hey, here's a little pro tip for you. Preheat your air fryer, you know, 2 to 3 minutes, you know, prior to you starting your cook. Now we're gonna be cooking these shrimp at 390 degrees for 7 minutes. Now, once your timer goes off and you open them up, listen, right where you deveined them, they should like butterfly open. And as you can see, they should have that nice tight curl on them. That's the way the shrimp tell you, hey, I'm ready. All right, check this out. Once again, Sabauce Chicken Marinade. I'm thinking they need to change their name anyway. This should be the all things meat, fish, whatever. It should be just the world's best handcrafted marinade on the planet. This right here is awesome. Here it is again, Sabauce. I just showed you. You just saw a couple of shots. Look at that. Man, I love the color. You're talking about presentation. This is the one. Hey, so we're not gonna keep talking about it. We're gonna go ahead and cheers. I'm taking my time with it, you know, just trying to, you know, savor the moment. Let the flavor just explode in my mouth. You can taste all the different seasoning. It's got like a slight little spice / heat to it. But hey, I can't say, hey, I don't have nothing to say but nothing but good. Hey, listen, I'm gonna let you look at it one more time. Look at that. And then while we looking at it, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these off the top. Again, boom. Hey, Sabauce, if you listening, change your name. This right here, that handcrafted chicken marinade. Hey, this is everything marinade. Hey, so listen, I want to give this 2 thumbs up. This was awesome. Hey, you know what? Look, I got a little more left. So, you know what? Look out for my next video because we getting ready to do some, I don't know, maybe some skirt steak, something like that. Make some fajitas marinated in the Sabauce marinade, and we go from there. So stay with me. Hey, Sabauce, you just outdid and exceeded my expectations. Other than that, 2 thumbs up. I'm out. Peace.